am Devnath Reddy. I studied my BE Mechanical Engineer at M&M Jain Engineering College. I found FemLogic Technologies while browsing internet. They conducted a workshop on automation in CAE domain, where I learned new things about CAE when it is automated. Like checking the quality is very easy to do if it is fully automated, so that the quality of the mesh will be very high, and some RBE2 and RBE3 elements can be made into an local database, so that it can be easily placed in that position without meshing, and other analysis of automations are also shown, which gave a huge insight on how the automation is going to take CAE to a next level. Thank you.